everybody, and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Alright, so today we got the Hoyoki Power Strip XL. It's a Power Strip Tower. Why I bought this is because a lot of my devices are starting to pile up and I just don't have enough outlets. So I wanted something with a nice design that can go inside of my kitchen so my kids can connect their tablets and cell phones and anything else they need to plug in. So we went ahead and bought this on Amazon for about 50 bucks. And it looked pretty good. Had good reviews. Nice solid build design. So I went ahead and bought it. So let's check it out. Alright, so just getting it out of the box there already feels pretty good, even with the plastic over it. That I liked. It didn't feel cheap at all. I'd say the build quality is about an 8 out of 10. Let's just get the cardboard and the plastic off. And look at that. Nice cylindrical design. You got 12 outlets, which is plenty. 3 USB type A, 2 USB type C ports. Just gives you everything you need in a nice sleek design. Really thick power cable as well. Feels really good. Everything's nice and sturdy. And you have little mounting screws at the bottom. You have a power button at the top that illuminates green, so you just press it to turn on and off, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's get it set up over here and we'll talk about the features. Okay, now I got the device plugged in. I'm just going to go ahead and start to plug in some of my devices just to make sure that they all charge. And while I do that, I'm just going to go over some of the features. So we have 12 AC outlets, 3500 watts max. You have 3 USB type A ports and 2 USB type C ports, which is 30 watts max. You got the fast charging ability. The Power Strip Tower uses total charging output of 15 watts, 5 volts, 3 amps for each USB type C port, and 12 watts, 5 volts, 2.4 amps for the USB type A ports. Let's see what else this thing got. It's got short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overheating protection, grounded protection, it's fire resistant, overload protection, and overvolt protection. So as you can see, this thing packs in almost everything you need. It's safe, it's reliable, you can power all your devices, you don't have to worry about this thing. You have the cool little power button on the top, which will illuminate green when you power the device on, just like I did there. Alright, and as you can see, I'll just go around here and kind of show you that everything's charging. I'm sorry, some of this stuff was fully charged before I started, I'm sorry, but as you can see, the little light kicks on there. My Nintendo Switch I had fully charged as well, but you'll see that it is charging, and with that the green logo that you probably saw on the top left there. And then when I cut it off, you'll see that everything cuts off, so it does work really well. Really pleased with this. Build quality is great. Nice solid design. Alright, so just showing the tablet and the icon. It's charging as well. And the cell phone charging as well. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we're going to do, now that I know that everything can handle these 4 devices, let's just add a 5th to it. So I'm just going to add my laptop. We'll add a laptop to the mix. So we'll just plug in this in one of the available spots. And use the magnetic charger to plug in. Now you should turn orange, as it did, and now we know we're charging. So there we go. That's 5 devices at one time, no problem. I can probably do many more. So this is going to solve a lot of headache. I can have a designated spot now where everybody in the house can just go to and charge their devices, and you can make the wires really nice and neat with some time and effort. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I'll give this device so far about an 8 out of 10. It may even go higher than that. Really pleased with this. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.